All right, now that we've got a working Git setup, our application is building correctly and it's running. In order to make changes to it in the same way that you would in a professional setting, you need to group your changes in commits that eventually go to branches, that eventually goes into the dev branch as it's known. And in order to do that, the first thing you'll need to do is to learn how to make a commit. Since you're brand new to Git, follow my steps precisely and you'll be fine. It's very easy to use Git incorrectly and it can be confusing to get out of certain situations. So while you are learning and getting up to speed, it's best to follow the existing guidelines. So let's get started. First thing is I'm going to open up the project we had, and I'm going to go ahead and open this, reveal it in the File Explorer. I'm going to use the same. So in order to get the Git bash that we installed, you have to hold Shift down and then right click, and then you can do Git bash here, which is what we'll need to do. So let's go ahead and check my status. There should be nothing in the tree. We've got a clean working tree is what we call it, when we have basically just either pushed a commit or pulled the latest commit. So our code looks exactly like the code looks in the server. And if we were to make a change, like fix the name here, and then we go back to status, we'll see that we've got a change that has not committed and that we can commit it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to create a commit. Git add. So right now we've got only one file change, so I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the files. This is basically called staging the files. I'm gonna stage the files to be committed. So if I go to Git status, it should show in green and it should tell me this is ready to be committed. Now we can go ahead and do Git commit and say legit name fix. And now that we've made that commit, if I look into the status, it should tell me you are ahead of the repository as it looks like in GitHub. And that's going to be called master origin or origin master. And so you are ahead by one commit. Once you've got that commit and you're sure that it works and it's something you want to keep, you can go ahead and push it. And that's it. That's up on the server. If we go into the repository, there you go, 1 minute ago. And my commit is a legit name fix. And it's in there. And if you click into it, you can explore all the changes. And this is a pretty cool environment where you can do code reviews with peers if you were doing a project with a lot of people. And that's basically all you need to know for how to create a commit, how to stage your changes, so it's like in a timeline, it would be first you create the changes, then you stage the changes, then you commit the changes, and then you push the changes to the server, and that's it. You're good to go.